fell on the beat.
Hey guys, CharmedBox here and welcome back to my channel. And yes, I know I look an absolute wreck, but it has been a really hard night. My washing machine decided to die on me tonight and it's been a hard one. Been cleaning up a lot of water, that kind of thing. So bath bomb is much needed tonight. So today we are going to do this Firework bath bomb and it is from Bathbox. I got it in my November Bathbox. I think, if I remember correctly, I'm pretty sure it's November. But yeah, I'm not sure when you guys will see this. I don't know. I might save it for sort of New Year's or around New Year's because it's a firework. It makes sense. But everything for Bathbox will be listed down below. But the next bit of footage you guys will see will be this in the bath. And honestly, that bath bomb could not have come at a more perfect time. I completely forgot that it was lavender and I was so stressed out from my washing machine breaking. Honestly, that has relaxed me so much. It is a late bath tonight. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's gone 11 o'clock, which is late for me. But yeah, I honestly needed that so badly. So that was a Bathbox bath bomb, as I said earlier. Everything for Bathbox will be listed down below, so you guys can go and check them out. They're so lovely. You should totally go and have a look. But yeah, I'm going to go because I'm absolutely shattered and I've got work in the morning. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one.